Hey guys, welcome to You Can Fix Anything. Today we're going to be fixing this lawnmower. It doesn't start. See here, give it this. Okay, doesn't start. So there's a couple things that could be wrong, but how we're going to test it is just by pouring some of this into the carburetor. If this is able to start with this, then we know it's just the feed from the gas line. And there's gas in here and everything, but it's just not running through. So you can see there, means the spark plug works, just the carburetor is not feeding in the gas. So we're going to take this apart and put a new carburetor in. So for this part, there's a little clamp, little crimp that you need to slide off or just slide down the tube so that you can pull off the rubber part. So it's kind of hard to see, but I do pull that down and then I just kind of wiggle off the tube from where it's connected. Okay, so there's three things you need to reconnect here: the gas line, the air line, and the little paperclip type thing so that you can control the shutter of the carburetor. This part you don't see it, but there's a little black piece that goes in between the carburetor and the exhaust you need to put on, and then you can just start with the far side bolt there like I'm doing. You got to take this plate off so you can fit the air filter and stick it on the other one. Okay, so I actually take out the spark plug and am screwing in a new one right here. It's pretty easy, you just put a wrench on it. You'll see me screw it in, you just take it out similarly. Alright guys, it's working, it's running. Thanks for watching. If you find anything useful here, please like and subscribe. Thanks.